My name is Vivencio Pable Sula Jr. I live in Las Marinas, Cavite. I'm 37 years old. I'm married and two kids. I desired apply for clip operator. Understand how to safety and speak to maintain complex and mechanical equipment. Trustworthy, trustworthy can work under pressure, self-motivated and hardworking. I'm knowledge to operate heavy equipment, truck mountain crane, forklift, man lift. I'm high school graduate. My previous company, BSL International Civil Works, May 14, April 19, 2021 up to May 11, 2024, I'm a forklift operator. My latest company, Hyundai Engineering Construction, May 14, 2024 up to present, I'm a forklift operator.